welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching another video. So today I'm here with a natural hair video, and this is going to be about how or what I will be using to help thicken up my hair. So I do naturally have fine hair, and if you have fine hair, then you understand the longer your hair gets, the thinner it can look because it's so fine. And also because I did suffer from some breakage from improperly detangling my hair, so there's a lot of stuff going on in here, but I just want to make sure I'm taking the best precautions or doing the best that I can. I just want to do everything that I can in my power to basically maintain or have the thickest head of hair that I can, because I do want waist length hair, but I don't want it to be straggly and thin waist length hair. I want it to be as thick as possible. So I have come across this ingredient, which I've heard about previously before, but I've never really looked into it or anything like that, never really tried it, but it's hemp seed oil. And before we get all crazy, yes, it does look like the marijuana plant. It is in the same family, not marijuana. It does not contain THC, so you do not get all of those psychedelic effects or anything like that. This video is sponsored by Cosmo Biz. I am a beauty examiner for them, meaning they send me out products and I test it out and really give you guys my honest opinion of it. Second Nature did send me over a few of their hemp seed oil, and I was so excited to try them out. So I did receive their 100% pure hemp seed oil. I got the one refined for skin and hair, hemp seed oil for hair growth oil, and in that one it has a mixture of hemp seed oil, coconut oil, golden jojoba oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, orange oil, rosemary oil, vitamin D and E. And they did also send me over their 100% pure hemp seed oil, unrefined, cold pressed. And that one does have to be stored in the refrigerator once you open it. So there are 3 different methods that I'm going to be using these hemp seed oils for thicker hair, and I will go over them in a little bit. But I want to school you guys on some of the benefits of hemp seed oil. So a little reason of why I'm using hemp seed oil to help on this journey is because hemp seed oil is known for thickening hair, reducing hair loss, and also it can aid in hair growth. It contains all 21 amino acids. It has so many vitamins. I'm going to read off all the vitamins it has to you guys. It has vitamin A, B1, B2, B3, B6, C, D, E. It's filled with protein and chlorophyll. Well, all in all, what hemp seed oil is really known for is it improves blood circulation, which hence hair growth. Hemp seed oil is supposed to help promote hair growth. It's supposed to be very moisturizing, and it helps prevent hair breakage. So I need all of that. Okay, but we're gonna go ahead and get into the 3 different methods that I'll be using to incorporate hemp seed oil into my hair care for thicker hair. Okay, so the first method that I'll be showing you guys is a hot oil treatment using the hemp seed oil. So I'm taking about ½ an ounce of avocado oil because it's very moisturizing, and another ½ an ounce of grapeseed oil just because of its restorative property. So it's about half and half. And then I'm going to go in with the hemp seed oil refined for hair and skin, and I do about 3 drops of that oil, and then I did go in with the hemp seed oil that's formulated for hair growth, and I did put 2 drops in there. You'll just shake it up and apply it to your hair. So this is me fresh out of my goddess braids. My hair is pretty dry. Listen, it's going through some things, okay? So for this hot oil treatment, I'm literally just going to split my hair in half, and first I do apply it to my scalp and work that in. Feel free to warm up your oil beforehand. I don't warm it up beforehand because I am going to basically use a deep conditioning cap to trap the heat in so my hair can actually reap the benefits. So I used to think for hot oil treatments that you had to literally douse your hair with oil for it to work, and then all I would have at the end of the day is literally just oil dripping everywhere. So you really don't need too much oil, hence why I really only made about 1½ ounces of the hot oil treatment. So I just apply this to my scalp, give myself a good scalp massage, and then I apply it to the shafts of my hair from root to tip and just really work that in. And I do concentrate on my ends as well because they are the driest part of your hair. After I apply all the oil to my hair and my hair is coated enough, then I do go ahead and put my hair up. I do put on a deep conditioning cap and also a hothead kind of cap, and this one, it has jellies in it. So you just pop it in the microwave for a few minutes. It gets hot and it helps trap all the heat in your hair. So I left this on my hair while I washed some dishes, so about 20 minutes or so. The next method I am going to use is basically just adding the hemp seed oil to all of my shampoos. So I literally will just add 3 drops of the one refined for skin and hair, and then I go back with the hair growth one and I add 2 drops each. And I will literally add this to every single shampoo that I come in contact with because it just makes it so much easier. So when it's wash day, you don't necessarily have to think about it. It's a step that's already done. It's already in your hair care. You just go on about your wash day, use your shampoos like normal, and without even thinking about it, you are counteracting hair loss and also helping your hair get as thick as it can be. So it's so simple to incorporate this into your hair care, and I'm so excited to actually see the results. So just like normal, I will just shampoo and rinse my hair twice. The last method that I am going to do is adding the hemp seed oil to all of my deep conditioners. So I'm just going to show you an example. One, this is the shade Moisture Restorative Jamaican Black Castor Oil Deep Conditioner. I use the same measurements in all the products, 3 drops of the one refined for hair and skin, and 2 drops of the hair growth hemp seed oil. So after you have washed and shampooed your hair, you literally just, mix up your deep conditioner and apply it like normal. Again, these drops make it so easy to incorporate into your hair care regimen without even thinking about it. Because honestly, whenever you get new product, you pop it open, add your drops, and you're good to go. You don't even have to think about it after this point. But every time you go to wash your hair, the hemp seed oil is literally an aid in helping with hair loss and thickening your hair and hair growth. So you would just apply a deep conditioner like normal and literally just go about your day. I'm so excited to see my results after using this consistently for a few months. Okay guys, so those are the 3 different methods that I'll be using. The hot oil treatment, I probably won't do it every single time I wash my hair, but probably once a month or so. Definitely putting hemp seed oil in all of my shampoos and conditioners and deep treatments, because I feel like that's just the easiest way to incorporate it into my hair care without necessarily have to think about it every wash day. Please keep in mind, when you put hemp seed oil into products, it does have the ability or chemical makeup to thin out the texture a little bit. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you are currently using hemp seed oil. How do you use it? Or if you're using any method that's supposed to help with thickening your hair or anything like that, definitely drop them down below. I'm curious about it. I'm sure if anyone else came to watch this video, they're curious about it too. So help assist out, okay? That's what we are here for. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. If you have not already subscribed yet, sis, subscribe, join the fam, and definitely give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, loves.